Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson, here today to show you brand new 2018 G23. The G23 is the flagship boat for Nautique. This particular boat we colored with the Mystic White and the Masters Blue. I want to show you a couple of quick features. We do have the optional fender clips that go right into here, so if your fenders want to hang down here, you can just put them in. Also new for 2018 are the strapless board racks from Nautique. These are standard on all the G series boats. So yeah, as you can see, really easy to leave that board up on top of there, no more straps. So I want to show you the inside of the boat, so come on board. So for new for 2018, just wanted to point out we optioned this boat with the new GoPro Mount. So you can mount your GoPro right here. It's at that perfect angle to film you surfing. And then that film gets automatically Bluetooth into the link pan array system at the helm. So let's go on aboard and take a look. So as you can see, in true Nautique fashion, we've got the nice walkway through here. Everything was sea decking on the sides and up on the top of the rub rail as well. This particular boat, the G23, is 2,850 pounds of subfloor ballast. So subfloor, all our ballast is below. We have storage all the way up and down these compartments for all your stuff, even when you're full of ballast. So great boat to have that for. And as we come on board, we got a nice little step right here. Don't have to step on any cushions. So the G23 is a 16-person boat, so you gotta have space for all your friends. One great option for that is having the nice bench seat. So this pulls out, nice place to sit. 2-3 people can sit right in here. I've got people sitting there, people sitting here. I can also lift this backrest up, so I've got room for somebody sitting here, and then also a couple people right here. So great boat for as many friends that you need to bring on. This particular boat we did install with one pair of 8.8 JL audio speakers, and then every G series boat comes standard with the Nautique awareness cam up on top of there. So new for 2018, Nautique came out with their integrated lighting package. So they got lights in all the cup holders. I've got lights nicely here, the Nautique badge. But what's great about it is very versatile. You can go through all the colors of all the boat, or you can keep it just the color of your boat if you'd like. So right here at the helm, they have a nice seat. They have a race car inspired helm seat, great back support, and then this nice little cutout right here for your leg. And then when you come back over here to the helm, they've done a great job of offsetting their dash, so I have full visibility through this window. They have the 12.4-inch link pan array system. This system is fully integrated right into here. Everything that I need and want is right here in this screen. So I can either control it with my fingers, or I can come over here to helm command, and then I have a nice integrated mouse right here that I can move around, toggle, I can click on it, and then I have some more home buttons here. Very intuitive boat. Alright, also now in the bow of the G23 is we have an optional bow filler cushion. So it has two purposes. One, with the sea decking on one side, I can also pop that out, so if I'm going to a dock, I can hop out without having to step on any of my cushions. Or I can pull this up and I can flip this over, and now I filled in the bow. Nice filler cushion. Also got the armrests on both sides here. Lighting, cup holders, massive bow for the G23. Come on down to MarineMax of Rogers, check out this G23 and all the other G23s that we have in stock. Be happy to show you. Again, my name is Josh Simonson. Hope to see you down here.